Welcome to Computer Science Play Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about K nearest neighbor algorithm. This is supervisor learning technique and this is classification algorithm. Let's discuss what this algorithm do. For example, uh, there is available data like this. Dataset 1, dataset 2 and new data is like this. This algorithm compares the similar features between new data and available data, and based on the similarity measure, it places the new data into most similarly available case. By this algorithm classifies the new data into some category. Lazy learning algorithm. This algorithm does not make any interpretations. It does not make any new interpretations. Simply memorizes data. It simply memorizes data and assumes some similarity between the available data and new data and places the new data on most similarly available data. So it memorizes data. It does not make any new interpretations. Let us see this algorithm by using some example. In our example, this is available dataset. This is marks of students in two subjects, maths, computer science, and this is result. So we have five values. Let's say we have new data. A student X has marks like this. CS equal to 8, max is equal to 6. The question is X pass or fail. Student X passed in the exams or failed. Here this is available dataset. This is actual point 8. Here in our dataset the order is max CS, so we have to take that on order 6 comma 8. This is actual value 1, actual value 2. Take first value is 4 comma 3. This is observed value 1, observed value 2. Now we have to calculate the Now we have to calculate the distance between these 2 points, actual values and observed values, by using Euclidean distance formula. Observed value 1 minus actual value 1 whole square plus observed value 2 minus actual value 2. Substitute 4 minus 6 square plus 3 minus 8 square. We get this 25 point something, and let us take this distance as 1 because we are calculating the point 1. 5.38, and the category is, look at this, fail. In similar way calculate all the points. We get distance as 1 and category pass, distance 3. Distance between this point and this point, Distance 2 is distance between these point and these point. And we get the distance 1. And category pass. Distance 4. We get 3.16. Comma category is fail. Distance 4 is distance between these point, fourth point, and actual value, given value. And distance 5 is 2. And category pass. Now from these points, take the minimum, least 3 points. Here given k value is 3. We have to take the k number of points, k number of nearest points from available points. K here value is 3. So we have to take 3 nearest values. So here near write these distances in ascending order. 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3.16 comma 5.38. Here k value is 3. So select these 3. 1 comma 1 comma 2. And categories are pass and 1 pass and 2. Here this is also pass. Here categories are like this. So in this data set, there are two categories, pass and fail. And our point in given data point, we get these three passes, zero fails. Now we have to calculate the difference between these points. 3 minus 0 equal to 3. So this is passes are greater than, we get positive value. So number of passes are greater than number of fails. Therefore, we have to put this value max comma cs. This is x value in pass category by KNN algorithm. So this is the result, final result. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like my video so that I can do more videos. Thank you. Please share, guys, and subscribe. Please motivate me to do next videos. Thank you.